and here is the Vegan's Almanac for today, the 21st of June, 2025. June 21st is the day to celebrate the tallest animal in the world. It's World Giraffe Day. Giraffes are found in the savannas of Africa, where they roam the open plains and woodlands. The genus is divided into the northern giraffe, the southern giraffe, the Maasai giraffe, and the reticulated giraffe. Well known for their long necks, these gentle giants can grow to around 5.5 meters tall. That's taller than 3 adult humans. A group of giraffes is referred to as a tower. Each giraffe's spots are entirely unique. Giraffes can run about 35 miles per hour. Giraffes only need to sleep for a maximum of 30 minutes per day, the shortest sleep requirement of any animal. In the wild, giraffes often sleep in short 5-minute bursts while standing, always on high alert for predators like lions. The earliest human-made records of giraffes date back to ancient Egyptian tomb paintings. The hunting and trade of giraffes led to a sharp decline in the global population by the 19th and 20th centuries. The decline steadily continued over the next few decades. The International Union for Conservation of Nature announced that the giraffe's red list status had changed from least concern to vulnerable in 2016. The major causes of the giraffe population's decline are the destruction of their natural habitat and illegal poaching. Today, foundations like the Giraffe Conservation Foundation are working tirelessly to conserve the giraffe population and ensure that the biodiversity of the world does not dwindle further. The publication of Ways of Being, Animals, Plants, Machines, The Search for a Planetary Intelligence by James Bridle was on this day in 2022. James Bridle's Ways of Being is a brilliant searching exploration of different kinds of intelligence, plant, animal, human, artificial, and how they transform our understanding of humans' place in the cosmos. What does it mean to be intelligent? Is it something unique to humans or shared with other beings, beings of flesh, wood, stone, and silicon? The last few years have seen rapid advances in artificial intelligence, but rather than a friend or companion, AI increasingly appears to be something stranger than we ever imagined. At the same time, we're only just becoming aware of the other intelligences that have been with us all along, even if we fail to recognize or acknowledge them. These others, the animals, plants, and natural systems that surround us, are slowly revealing their complexity, agency, and knowledge, just as the technologies we've built to sustain ourselves are threatening to cause their extinction and ours. What can we learn from them, and how can we change ourselves, our technologies, our societies, and our politics to live better and more equitably with one another and the non-human world? The publication of An Immense World, How Animal Senses Reveal the Hidden Realms Around Us by Yong was also on this day in 2022. The Earth teems with sights and textures, sounds and vibrations, smells and tastes, electric and magnetic fields, but every kind of animal, including humans, is enclosed within its own unique sensory bubble, perceiving but a tiny sliver of our immense world. In An Immense World, Yong coaxes us beyond our confines of our own senses. We encounter turtles that can track the Earth's magnetic fields, and fish that can fill rivers with electrical messages. We discover that the eyes of a giant squid evolved to see sparkling whales, that plants thrum with the inaudible songs of courting bugs, and that even simple scallops have complex vision. We learn what bees see in flowers, what songbirds hear in their tunes, and what dogs smell on the street. Funny, rigorous, and suffused with the joy of discovery, An Immense World takes us on what Marcel Proust called the only true voyage, not to visit strange lands, but to possess other eyes. And here's a poem for today, The Giraffe by Oliver Herford. See the giraffe, he is so tall there is not room to get him all upon the page. His head is higher, the picture proves it, than the spire. That's why the natives, when they race to catch him, call it steeplechase. His chief delight is to set a good example. Shine or wet, he rises ere the break of day and starts his breakfast right away. His food has such a way to go, his throat's so very long, and so an early breakfast he must munch to get it down ere time for lunch. The Giraffe by Oliver Herford. This has been the Vegan's Almanac with a reminder that life on this planet is amazing.